Tell me about Swagbucks and how to earn money. Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that allows you to earn points, or Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a great way to earn some extra cash or rewards by doing activities that you might already be doing online. I earned over £200 using Swagbucks. Have a look. Here are some ways to earn Swagbucks. 1. Surveys. Swagbucks offers several surveys for you to complete, and you can earn up to several hundred Swagbucks per survey. 2. Watch videos. You can earn Swagbucks by watching videos, ranging from news to entertainment. 3. Online shopping. By shopping through the Swagbucks website, you can earn Swagbucks for every dollar you spend at popular retailers. 4. Referral program. You can earn Swagbucks by referring friends to join Swagbucks. 5. Offers. Swagbucks offers various deals and offers, such as signing up for a free trial or downloading a new app, that allow you to earn Swagbucks. Link in description. Join now and get £3 bonus.